How to restore files from file history in Windows. Accidentally deleted an important file? Worried about losing data to a system crash or even ransomware? Windows File History is your built-in safety net for recovering important files in minutes. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. Understanding Windows File History. File History is Windows's free, built-in backup tool that automatically saves copies of your essential files like documents, photos, and videos. It monitors data changes, saving previous versions for easy retrieval if files are accidentally deleted or modified. Unlike full system backups, File History focuses on individual files, making it lightweight and perfect for everyday users and small businesses. It creates and updates copies on an external drive or network location, allowing simple one-click recovery of past versions. Setting up and preparing for file restoration. Before you can restore files, File History must be enabled and actively backing up your data. First, ensure it's turned on by navigating to Control Panel, System and Security, File History. You'll also need to have an external drive or network location configured to store your backups. Once enabled, File History will begin saving copies of your user folders, allowing you to recover them later. Step-by-step guide to restoring files. You can restore files directly from File Explorer. Select the file or folder, click the Home tab, and choose History from the ribbon. Alternatively, access File History from the Control Panel. Go to Control Panel, then go to File History, and click Restore Personal Files. Finally, you can use the Settings app. Navigate to Settings, then go to Update and Security, go to Backup, then click More Options and select Restore Files from a current backup. Once you're in the File History window, you can browse through different time-stamped versions of your files. Simply select the version you need and click the green Restore button to send it back to its original location. Or right-click the Restore button and choose Restore to if you prefer a new destination. Troubleshooting and advanced use cases. If File History isn't displaying backups correctly, first check your drive connection. If issues persist, try disabling and re-enabling File History to force a re-index. Restoration failures can be due to corrupted backups or permissions. Try running with administrator rights or using the CHK-DSK tool. File History excels at recovering deleted files, rolling back versions, and basic data restoration after incidents like drive failures or malware. It adds essential redundancy to your data. While File History is great for everyday file recovery, it's not enough for comprehensive data protection, especially for organizations. For stronger solutions, consider advanced third-party backup tools. They offer features like automation, encryption, and full system backups for greater resilience. For more information, check out our official blog post on IT Guide, How to Restore Files from File History in Windows, linked in the description below.